Welcome to Dripping Springs, Ollas. I'm Mary Catherine, and thank you for joining me today. I have an exciting hack that you have definitely not seen. Seriously, you have not seen this hack. And it has to do with several things. It has to do with your garden, has to do with recycling something out of your house. And this is the right time for it, the time of year for it. The spring is coming, and there's all the signs for that, right? You get excited when your garden's coming. You see the flowers blooming, and you see the buds coming out, and the ground's bursting, and then a few other things that are happening perhaps in your chicken house. And then you know it's time. It's time to start getting that garden ready and foraging ahead. But one thing we don't want in that garden is weeds. And this hack is about keeping the weeds down in the paths of your garden. It is so cool. So it's taken me about 1 year to pull it together. So I do these experiments and I document them along the way. And so I've put that document all together into this #1 hack. So let's get to it. I'm going to do this video a little bit backwards. This is the path now that I'm speaking of that has no weeds in it. And you can see the corner of it here. There's a little something poking out. Oh, there's the clue. Let you see if you could figure this out. It won't take long. So here I am showing you the other corner. Pulling it up, seeing how wide it is, and it's very thick. How long it is. And you can see how the edges are straight. Okay, some clues here. And then we have another corner. Huh. All right. You probably figured it out already. One more clue. Yep, you got it. Shake the rug. That's what it is. This is a common 100% cotton bathroom rug. And after its usefulness in my house, I decided to put it in the path in my garden. I thought, why not? It's cotton. It lays flat. It feels good on my feet. I would grade the area, put the rug down. No mud puddles would form because the water went right through it. Yet there really wasn't quite enough dirt on top to create a mass, collection of weeds. The odd one would get on there, but it was no big deal. So here you see I kind of just scraped it down a little bit. I went back and I shook the whole thing out. And that's what you're going to see next, is what's left over after about 9 or 10 months. It's really a lot of the baubles on the rug were disintegrated already. It's just the weave left in it, a lot of it. But I'll use it again until it's completely gone. But 100% cotton rug. We have them in our houses. What a great way to recycle and reuse one more thing in your house. Happy gardening.